guys, welcome back. I'm trying to make a shepherd pie with sweet potatoes. Oh, forget to turn on the burner. Sweet potatoes, squash, and Irish potato. And I put some cheese already to the bottom, so just stirring it up. And I put in some seasoning and stuff, because I like my things seasoned up. Today I'm not in a good frame of mind because my Fitbit, brand new Fitbit, that is what's going on. That's the second one. Just like, not enough. So I put in some dry seasoning, I'll call it here. This is Dash, from Miss Dash, whatever you want to call it. And some chipotle seasoning, southern. This is the first time I'm making shepherd pie, so leave me alone. First time, very beginning. Oh, it's already squashed, so I don't need. I'll forget about this because this is. You can see this is done. This is finished. Or I should have on YouTube and see how, because I don't know what I'm doing. But anyway, I'll start on a different pot. So I have this pot here, almost hit my face, and I'm going to I'm using Beyond Beef. Beyond Beef patties. I already have 2 here. And get some. No, I don't think you have to cook it with olive oil because that kind of plant-based meat. But how? I'm so confused. This is my first time cooking shepherd pie, vegan shepherd pie, and it's confusing because I really don't know what to put in it. I have some corn here, some baby golden and white corn. Sweet. So, get the next spoon. Guys, I'm confused. Let me get all that oil all over the pot. Put this on a higher burner. Get my garlic. This is the amount of garlic I use. I like a lot of garlic. Put that in there. What else? I have my green onions here. I have ginger. I love the smell of ginger. Ginger here. I didn't cut up any onions. So I think I need some onions. Good. You know what? Forget about that onion. That's a lot of things right now. So that's it. I'm going to put some ginger in here. Vegan shepherd pie. So, and after I finish that, I'm going to make like a salad to eat with it. So, I'm going to put in this. I don't need any onions because I already have this. Yep. Some more seasoning. This is cooking oil, coconut oil, and ghee. better buy this in the supermarket. And it's all done. Put this on a slow burner. And just let it cook a little while. Now we put in the rest of seasonings. And you know what other seasoning I like to use? Sesame seeds. I just like to use that. Sprinkle it all over. Sesame seeds. I like to use this. I think I'll put a little chili flakes to give it a little oomph. Chili flakes and some Italian seasoning. See that? Yeah. I could put about these things because oh, I have lentil peas to cook too. I just remember I have to. That's what I'm waiting for this to cook. I put a little salt and seasoning and nice it up. So for 4 days, you know, and it looks good. So I'm going to put the one that I cook, and this is leftovers from the meatloaf that I made. Yeah. Hot water. Get some hot water in there. Put some ketchup. Yeah. And then it's time. Oh shit, it's sticking. Right. Just start looking good and smelling good. Yeah man, it's enough. You see? I'm going to put it in there. I put in first layer, one layer, and then I put in this in the middle, and then I'm going to top it up with potato and then cheese. Put it into the oven and then take care of that lentils that I burst last night. Yeah. Feel that. And take this. Towards the end of the day, you're going in the oven. I'm going to finish do what it so. I'm going to put this on 400. You see, there's always wing thing as it go for real. I don't have a plan with me. I'm just going to along the pan. I'm in a big mess. Look at this. Where's the hell is this I doing here? I think I'll take a napkin. And try to wipe because there's a lot. I think it's supposed to be that much. I was going to spray the pan, but I think I'll put butter. And get this on my hands quickly because I really have to work fast now. Because just now that will beep. Leave this here, this thing. So guys, you seeing this? So I'm going to put some of this first and lick here because I don't want to drip. And then I'm going to spread it like this. Put this in here. like it's a lot. Why I didn't just do 2 and 1. Oh. I'm obnoxious in the kitchen. So I'll just put a little bit again. And this potato didn't squash, so I'll eat this one. I have 11 minutes again. So I should have put on this after. Okay, shut up. Sprinkle some of this on here. Well, that is how it is. Do it. And sprinkle some of this one. Oh shit, it didn't open properly. Where is scissors? And put some of this one here. Okay. Making a mess. Oh Lord, I hate when I make a mess. Anyway, we use this. Okay. Got a spoon. Let me see how this will work. Okay, okay. Put some of this in here. It's okay. Okay. And I know to the bottom will taste good because before I put the potatoes, before I crush the potatoes in the pot, I make sure I put 2 of the cheeses. And when I put the hot 2 cheese and I put some butter, and then I throw the potato on it. So when it's squashing. So this will be potato balls. Yeah. Potato, squash, and yeah, sweet potato, Irish potato, and squash balls. With some lentil peas. Stew lentil peas. And I'm going to make like a salad to make boy. Something with goat cheese in it. Vegan goat cheese. Vegan. Okay. That's it, guys. It's going into the oven now. So, I'm not using this one. That's enough. That's enough now. More dishes to wash. I have to concentrate on this, guys. Oh, come on now. Come on, because you can't see. So this is one, and the rest. Oh, napkin touching my food. And this one is like balls. So, a napkin on the side. What a thing. That is serious. So you see my pies? Yeah. So first one, heavy. Look at that. You see? And that's my lentils. Who's that? And that's my lentils right here. As you know, my video, my lasagna have 13 more. Not my lasagna, my shepherd pie have 13 more, 12 more minutes, and my lentils are done. And when it's finished, I'll show you guys. That's it. So I'll see you guys. Whoever was watching, thanks for keeping me company. XOXO.